welcome back to the, oh, this isn't a truck. We're back at the house. Well, this is new. No, just, I didn't end up doing a recording at the, truck. I had a fairly short week, so we're doing it at the house today. Yay! So, we're actually going to be doing a project. Okay, bye puppies. So we're going to be taking some leftover from last week's project from the ring. So this is from the ring. It's obviously not enough to do another ring with. You know, this isn't gonna work for another ring. So I have an idea of making this into a pendant of sorts. So let's get started. Alright, so my idea is to use this piece from the braided ring along with a few miscellaneous mess-ups that I've got here to make a kind of like sword pendant. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so we're going to snip a little bit off of one of these ends to make it into a point. That's why I soldered the entire thing so then it won't fall apart. And there, now we have a point. Alright, so now that we have the point at the bottom, which I might end up adding a piece just to like define that point a bit, because it's not really defined very well. So I might end up soldering a piece there. But let's go to the hilt. So I snipped two sides of this. Just the two sides. we got part of a hilt. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this up, and it's going to be part of the cross guard. Oh man, that got a bit dicey, but I believe we got it done. So let's check this. Get it out of the pickle here. All right. Awesome. So now all we need to do is bend these a little bit. And there. Let's bend that top a bit. And there we go. This end's a bit weak, so I'm gonna use some easy solder and re-solder that a little bit. Alright, let's leave that in the pickle a little bit. So now all we need to do is clean it up, and then it'll be done. Other than putting like a loop or something for a necklace or earring, you know, I don't know what I want to do with it yet, but I think it looks cool. Alright, well, I think that ends this episode. I do have now a braided sword. I don't think it'll be good for a pendant, but I think a nice little earring would work. It's small enough to do a nice little earring. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you think this would be good for an earring or a pendant. It's not very big. But yeah, all that needs to be done to finish this off is like a hoop or a stud. I might do a stud. Just put just a bit of metal on the back here and put it on. Yeah, I think that'll be good. So let me know what you guys think. It's not entirely finished, but I think for right now, I think we're at a stopping point with this. And this was just recycled bits from my my braided ring from last episode, along with I think the week before that, just the bits and pieces from the first project that I tried doing that did not work out very well. So as you can see, you can use your mess ups along with, you know, any recycled bits from any other projects to make very unique pieces. And this is all silver, so this is all silver. It's in a nice sword, like a nice crusader type crossed sword. And you can see the hilt, you can see, you know, the nice design of the braid. I really like this. This is a really good piece. So, if you guys liked this video, hit that like button, and if you really liked it, hit that subscribe button, and then you'll get notified whenever I put out a video. I try to do a video a week. on Sundays around noon. I think I'm putting them out around noon each week. So I think I've locked that in for the most part. I think this video might end up being put out a little bit earlier, but I don't know. We'll see. So, I hope that you all enjoyed watching this. I enjoyed making it. It was very challenging. We are going to be continuing on something else next week. I don't know what it is yet. Again, like this piece, this was completely off the top of my head. No clue what I was going to do this week. No clue what I'm going to do next week. We'll figure it out together! Alright. Well, I hope that you all enjoyed, and have a wonderful evening.